behalf of all the employees at Alaska Airlines, especially those two fine pilots that got us here safely, and your four lovely flight attendants, it has been our pleasure to serve you. You can always find us at alaskaair.com.
23 years, I get to see my country again. This is crazy. God is good. God is good. You have to do it with the chicharrón, bebé.
¿Más de chicharrón?
Sí, el chicharrón.
Echa mi mano. Chicharrones. ¿Cómo se llama? Chopstick.
Palitos chinos, palos chinos, palillos chinos.
Palillos chinos.
Se les conoce también como hashis.
Ah, hashis. Perfecto.
O hashis.
Gracias. Wow. It is Japanese name?
Chinese.
Chinese or Japanese?
Asian? I don't know.
Asian. Lanao, right? And yeah, it was a buffet, and so we're gonna have. I got some sushi, tuna, octopus, salmon, all raw. I love my seafood. I love my seafood so much. So we're gonna see how it goes. It looks delicious. And then we got a paloma.
Can you eat
No,
like bread with
baby,
just
stop.
chopsticks? Is that okay to do?
Oh my gosh, you're done. You're immediately done.
Immediately done.
Immediately done. You're done. But what did you get, baby?
Wonder bread.
No, over here.
Some beef and vegetables.
See?
And then some more vegetables, steamed, and then some pork, some rice, pasta, and then they were making fresh, kind of like hibachi style fried rice. So they mixed everything in. I told them to put some veggies in there and some chicken.
Yum. It looks amazing.
It was good.
Awesome, baby. Let's dig in.
Dig in.
Let's dig in with a view. And we'll be here back tomorrow morning for brunch.
Oi.
You dropped it.
Is it in the bush?
Oh, look at her eyes. His.
No.
Sí, correcto.
This is how we have to go from like the stairs over to the infinity edge because she can't touch. There we go. Oh my god.
I have to hold on to this because I can't reach. If not, all my makeup, like I will go into the water.
Like this is, it's up to
Your chichis. And
is right here. It's
that's me. Literally, like that's my height.
The top of her head is right here.
Yeah. So I
if
can't
was
let go.
That's where you would be. Bloody Mary?
Diona.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien. ¿Y tú?
Bien,
¿Te gustan
bien.
los cabos?
Sí, pescado.
Los Cabos.
Los Cabos.
Good to
sí.
know. You like pescados? Okay. Wow! We know you guys. We've seen you before. Hi. Oh, that's what I said. I was like, for a Mr. No Man.
we didn't buy one.
So we got some ceviche.
The deal was so fucking
Bueno, rico. And it is really delicious. I'm drinking a Pacifico. My baby's drinking some Don Julio. And, okay, I have to share this with you guys. These are the best saltine crackers in Mexico. And I had not seen them in 23 years. And they're called saladitas. And I am one happy girl right now because I haven't seen these in so long. And you only find these in Mexico, so I feel really, really happy right now. So we got saladitas, ceviche, el Pacífico, Don Julio, y estamos disfrutando de unas vacaciones tan hermosas. We're enjoying the vacation. This vacation is so much. Off the top of my head. Alright, so today it is Thursday. We have the whole day planned out with my cousin for my mom's side. So I have two cousins that live here in Los Cabos, and one for my mom's side and one for my dad's side. And so today we're gonna see my mom's niece, so my cousin, and it's her birthday, so we're gonna go to the ocean and celebrate with her. And then tomorrow we are going to see my cousin Brenda. She's from my dad's side, so it's pretty awesome that we get to see them. It's been a while since I haven't seen them, so we're just waiting for our bus to get on the catamaran, the sunset cruise, and we get to see the arch, or is it arc? Arch, tomato, and no? We've been waiting for like 30 minutes now, and so we're really worried because we want to make it on time. The sun's no.
No, for Blake or for Natalia?
Because I'm stressing out. Like, I don't want this day to like not be spent well, and I want to spend it with my cousin. So anyways, we're gonna take a shot while we wait, and we'll see what happens. ¿Listo?
Listo.
Para arriba,
Arriba.
para abajo, para el centro, para adentro. Okay, so we got to, what is this considered, baby?
It's kind of like the marina in Cabo.
Oh, the marina, yeah. And so we're waiting for my cousin's husband, and it's been a whole, like, it's been an adventure, because I'm like explaining where I am. I'm like, okay, I'm in front of this pharmacy, Oxo, everything, and he's like, I can't see you, and I'm like, holy cow, we're gonna miss our boat. Hopefully we don't miss it. We're gonna see what happens. Somebody was able to help me. He's like, you gotta explain better. I'm like, I don't know where I am. What am I supposed to do? So hopefully we make it on time. They're supposed to pick us up, so we'll see what happens. Sí, porque aquí estábamos enfrente. Literal, te dije, estamos en Señor Falls, donde están todos los botes.
No he visto yo los señor Fox de acá. Es que el único señor Fox que conozco es el de...
¡Tus nalgas!
¿Cómo están?
Súper feliz.
Pásenle, pásenle.
Gracias. Literal, estábamos aquí, Julio.
Timeshare. People will own all those houses up there. The owner of the whole resort, they used to. What's that? No view.
¿Dónde?
The Instagram queen.
So pretty. Está bello. Me encanta. Wow.
Muy bonito.
Well, the Pacific Ocean is a little windier. To the side of over today. Baño downstairs, yes. Va a tener un poco de viento aquí en la zona del Pacífico, así que es importante.
La punta del barco.
No, esta es la última piedra de todo Baja California.
Wow, qué hermoso.
Ponen buzos para que les tome foto en el arco.
Vale. ¿Y ustedes también?
Con, no, are you guys? ¿Salsa verde, salsa?
Sí, pasada con salsa verde.
Salsa verde con salsa roja.
Ok.
Pollo, salsa con verde con salsa roja.
Deli. ¿Y ustedes? ¿Igual?
Pastor y pollo.
Qué rico. Uf.
El pollo es
Provecho.
bien.
7, 8.